Welcome to the DSF Basic Off-World Missions tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explain how to make DSF missions. To start, we go to the mission editor, we choose an island, and then, without adding anything to our mission, we just save it. When we are done, we quit the game, and then we go to open an Explorer window. We go to the folder where we have installed Operation Flashpoint, then we look for the users folder, and then again we look for the folder that contains our name. In there we have three folders. We open the missions folder and there we look for our mission. The folder in which our mission is in will have the format of name of the island. When we find it, we open the folder and then we will find one single file, a file named mission SQM. We will not need to touch that file. However, we will create a text document in there. We will give it the name of description.ext. Then we edit it with a text editor and then we add the line you can see here. We save the document and then open the mission again in the mission editor in Flashpoint. If that line is missing or is wrong, when we play our mission we won't be able to use the keyboard of the dialing computer or the DHD interface. After we have finished this important part, we go to the game again. We place two gates, one from Earth and the other an off-world model, to test if what we have done is correct. In the mission, when we are in front of the dialing computer, we get an action called Dial Stargate. We use it and then we get the keyboard. In it we can enter the symbols ourselves or we can go to the database. In the database we get all the addresses we currently know in our mission. The address with the current mark is the address where we are dialing from. The moment we choose an address, the computer will start dialing automatically. If the destination was already in use or the address is incorrect, the gate will disengage all the chevrons and we will have to start dialing again. After we arrive at our destination and the wormhole disengages, we will have to wait for a moment until the Dial Stargate action pops up when we are in front of the DHD. Now we proceed to dial the gate. We get a DHD model. And also, since we clicked the Transfer Target Addresses to Notebook action in the dialing computer, we also get an open notebook in which we have all the handwritten addresses which were available in the database of our dialing computer. We choose an address in the notebook and we start dialing. Because the address was randomly generated, some symbols may appear repeated twice in the same address. So you will have to click them twice in order to complete the dialing sequence. When the sequence is complete, you click the red activation button in the center of the DHD to open the wormhole. By default, the iris is set in manual mode, so you won't have to enter any codes in this mission. This concludes the DSF Basic Off-World Missions tutorial.